Whoa, Apple hasn't even announced the iPhone 17 yet, but we're already getting leaks about the iPhone 17e. That's right, production planning for Apple's next budget iPhone is reportedly already underway, and it confirms something huge about Apple's strategy going forward. Hey everyone, breaking news today as we've just learned that Apple is already planning production for the iPhone 17e, which will likely launch in May next year. This is big news because it essentially confirms that Apple is moving to a yearly release schedule for the budget E models, replacing the old sporadic SE release pattern we've seen in the past. This information comes from reliable leaker Fixed Focus Digital on Weibo, who reports that the iPhone 17e is not just in early planning stages, it's actually almost ready for trial production. For those who don't know, trial production is when companies like Foxconn set up a small-scale version of the production line to manufacture devices in limited batches. This is typically one of the final steps before full-scale production begins. The timing is particularly interesting here. Apple just released the iPhone 16e back in February as their new entry-level option, replacing the older SE series. That phone brought some notable upgrades including Apple's custom-designed C1 modem, which offers better power efficiency, and a larger battery than what we see in the standard iPhone 16. However, the 16e still comes with some clear compromises compared to the mainline iPhones. It has a 60Hz display, when all other current models offer 120Hz ProMotion. The peak brightness is also lower than other iPhone 16 models, and perhaps most notably, it features just a single rear camera instead of the dual camera systems found on the standard models. So what might we expect from the iPhone 17e? While details are scarce at this point, Apple seems to be establishing a pattern where the E models feature a binned version of the chip found in the base iPhone model of the current generation. Following this logic, the iPhone 17e would likely use a slightly downgraded version of whatever chip powers the standard iPhone 17. Pricing is another big question mark. The current iPhone 16e starts at $599, positioning it as a mid-range option rather than a true budget device. It's also only available in two color options, black and white, compared to the more vibrant palette offered by other models. This leak really illustrates Apple's shifting strategy in the smartphone market. Rather than offering sporadic budget options every few years with the SE line, they appear to be creating a consistent yearly cadence with these E models. This gives budget-conscious consumers a reliable upgrade path within the Apple ecosystem without having to spring for the premium models. What do you think about Apple's approach here? Are you excited about yearly updates to the budget iPhone line, or do you think they should focus more on bringing premium features to these more affordable devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates on the iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.